Hello, my name is Penny Smith, and I'm a North Carolina real estate broker. Topic for discussion today is how to decide whether to hire movers or to move yourself. Well, the obvious question there is how good is your back? And how many friends do you have? And how good are their backs? Sometimes it just simply is not worth the money to do it yourself or to inconvenience your friends. Certainly you have been through moving friends from the time you were in college to the time that you were, if you're 50 years old, probably a dozen times since college. And you know, every time it's very difficult, very hard, and it's very tiring. It's best to leave certain things up to movers, but you need to do your research on your movers, and you can also negotiate the price when you are calling them and discussing with them. And there's ways that you could cut that price. You could cut that price by packing your own stuff, having it all ready for them, having the boxes labeled and sitting in the garage ready to be loaded. Also have all the china out of the china cabinet, now the cupboards. Have it already boxed up. It makes a difference in the price. Be sure you decide what is easiest for you and what you are able to do. And those are my recommendations on whether to move yourself with your friends or to hire a mover to do it for you. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day.